Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to change your avatar in Roblox on Safari iOS. So just type in roblox.com, press continue in browser, and as you can see, you press avatar, and it says avatar editor. To change to change your look, you will need to use the avatar editor on the app. And if you go to the avatar editor on the app, then it doesn't really let you do anything special like what you can do on the computer. Like I have custom set stuff because of the thing. But go back to Safari, or if you were on that, then go back to Safari. As you can see, if you go to home profile or something, yeah, it says I'm that guy right now because that's just switched. But go to home. If you see that I do request desktop site, you can do that there. If you want to do it easier, go to avatar, and it says that error thing again. But you go to this, drop the little box thing with the arrow. It'll be anywhere, I don't know. And then go to request desktop type, or request desktop site, and you can do anything here. Like you can change anything. I'll change it back to me. But you can make a costume. You can do anything really. You can go to advanced and the color. If you go to body and stuff, you probably know most of it. You can figure it out. It's pretty easy, not too hard. Change it to R6 to R15. It's pretty cool. Honestly, I really was happy whenever I found out how to do it. But yeah, it's a pretty cool thing. And that's how. So, hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Hopefully it helped. And yeah, I'll just end the video here. Insert outro.